What's going on, everybody? We're back here for another Integra video, and today we are doing something to the Integra. It's a little small, but it really transforms the inside of your car a lot. What we're doing today, everybody, is we got these little LEDs for the cluster. I got cool white, and also I didn't get a chance to film it because I bought it last minute, but we got a new valve cover for the car, and it looks amazing. So let's take apart the cluster, and I'll show you how to put these on, and then I'll finish up by showing you that new valve cover. Okay, everybody, so you're going to want to start off with, there's a screw here, sorry for the sunlight, and then here, and then if you have one, take off the microphone, and then this will just pop right off. I'll do that right now. Okay, everybody, so next is going to be a screw there on the other side, and then, sorry for this, okay, cool. Right where that hole is right there, there's going to be a screw there. You just pop those three out and this should pop right out. Okay, so once you get the cluster out, little situation you're going to run into. If you have the original cluster, see that right there? It's a little pin that's keeping this all together, which is a little frustrating, but it's okay. You can still work with it. So I unpinned these and that just to make life easier. But hang on, let me see if I can get it. So you see that one right there? And then there's three more main ones, so, I'm sorry, two more. Let me focus it real quick. See that one right there in the middle? So that one, and then back there, that one. Those are the only three you really need to get the whole thing to look LED. So that's the ones we're going to pull out real quick. Okay, so when you pull them out, it's just like changing any kind of bulb in your car. You just twist and it pops out. Your original bulb's going to look something like this, and then it's just like, of course, any other car. You pop it out like a regular bulb, put the LED in. If it doesn't work, switch it around, and that's pretty much how you put them in. So I'm going to swap them over and show you. Okay, everybody, so everything is back in place now. Now, theoretically, like on anything, before you bolt it back on together, you're going to want to see if it works, so test it out first. Obviously, you can't really tell, so I'm going to wait until nighttime to show you guys, but I can see physically it's working, so that's good. But I'm going to show you all at nighttime and bolt this back up. Okay guys, so while we wait for it to get dark and show you the rest of the lights, I'm going to go ahead and show you the new valve cover we got. But first I want to give you all some awesome information. So number one is that for our car reviews and stuff like that, we just upgraded our camera setup. We've got about 4 GoPros, so that's definitely going to help out on better angles, better exhaust notes, everything like that. So just know our car reviews are going to get bumped up way to a better quality. So I'm super excited about that. And then next, I know I said that if you wanted the shirt, I know we're not that big, but if you wanted a shirt, let me know. We now have shirts and we now have hats for Skier Media, so you can get them like this, or as you saw, we have a new logo which looks awesome. So you can get a hat or you can get a shirt. If you're interested, let me know, I'll get you. So that being said, I'm going to show you the new valve cover right now, and it's super cool. Nighttime right now, and I'm going to turn on the cluster to show you how it came out. And as you can see, those 3 bulbs made it perfect. The whole cluster is really nice and clean now. It's more modern looking. I'm really happy with it. So only a couple bucks. I'll put the link in the description, and it really made a difference. You can get blue, green, ice blue, whatever you want, and it's really good. Alright guys, so I hope this video helped you out if you're going to do an LED swap on your cluster. If it did, let me know. And also I hope you like the valve cover as much as I do, so I'm super excited about it. But last thing before we end this video, it's morning now because I just got my windshield replaced on the Integra, and it's looking really good. Things are slowly coming together in this car, and we got big plans for it too. So if you liked this, please help us out by liking and subscribing. It really helps us out, and I will see you all next week.